Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking your phone and opening settings. This gets you to the control plane. Once done, decide whether you want a global silence or targeted app silencing. Make sure to check battery and connectivity so changes save. Tap notifications or sounds and vibration right away. That's where the core toggles live. You'll find Do Not Disturb, app lists, and system categories. Choose the path that fits how quiet you need to be. Now you refine behavior. Turn on Do Not Disturb to silence all alerts and set start/end times if you prefer automatic privacy. You should also open high-volume apps and switch Allow Notifications off for each one you don't want interrupting you. Make use of priority exceptions so alarms and important calls still reach you. This prevents missed emergencies. Once configured, review notification categories inside apps to mute banners, sounds, or lock screen previews individually. Finish by testing. Ask someone to message you or send a test alert to confirm silence. If notifications still arrive, make sure focus profiles or scheduled rules aren't conflicting, and then restart the phone to apply changes. If problems persist, reset app notification preferences or check battery optimization settings that can override silencing. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable third-party notification managers, then retest. Those apps commonly re-enable alerts unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.